Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to change color selectively without having to get crazy with layer masks and all that stuff. It's a really simple method. It's also really quick and really effective. So let's jump right into it. First off, you need your image into Photoshop. Then just click on the Adjustments tab and we're going to add a Hue and Saturation adjustment. You're gonna select the color you want to change from this drop down. So we're gonna go to the yellows. You can also click the eyedropper tool right over here and you can manually select the color. This way you'll get a really more precise selection of color. As you can see, this slider moved a little bit depending on the color you sample. Anyways, I sampled this color now, this yellow. This means that if I change position of this slider, of the hue slider, only the yellows in my image will change color, not, for example, the sky. So you can just change it to whatever color you want. Look at how the red looks cool. You can also adjust the saturation and the lightness of it, and it will still only affect the color you sampled. So this is the after, this is the before. Kind of like it better than red. What do you guys think? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, activate the notification to get notified whenever I upload if you want, obviously. Leave a comment tell me what tutorial you'd like to see next. Okay, bye.